You cook vocabulary. This is a bowl. Say, it is a bowl. What is it? It is a bowl. Next we have a pot. Pot. This is a pot. What is it? This is a pot. Next we have a spoon. What is it? It's a spoon. What is it? It's a spoon. Next we have a cup. K-up. Cup. It's a cup. What is it? It's a cup. Then we have a mop. 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 It's a mop. What is it? It's a mop. Then we have a cook. When two O's go together, we say oo. K-oo-k. Cook. It's a cook. Let's have a look at these words. The first word is you. You. You and me. You are a boy, or you are a girl. Next we have need. When two E's go together, they say E. So it is N-E-D. Need. Need. And the last one, A. A. You need a pencil. You need a pencil. Let's go and talk about need. I have a cup. Why do I need a cup? I need a cup to drink. I need a cup to drink. It's a bird, and birds have wings. But why do they need wings? I need wings to fly. I need wings to fly. And I can get wings where? A boat? No. A car? No. Helicopters? But those are propellers, not wings. A whale? No. An aeroplane. Yes, aeroplanes have wings. And I need wings to fly. Okay, I'll see you soon again. Bye bye!